DNB Finance Analytics. Import data to portfolio.
Please be advised that all information shown in this video, including but not limited to ratings, scores, and credit information, is fictitious and is for demonstration purposes only. This data is not based on actual events and should not be interpreted as an accurate reflection of reality.
Import data to add many companies to your portfolio at once. Timely and accurate company data is crucial for effective risk management. By importing companies into DNB Finance Analytics, you can quickly identify potential risks, changes in financial stability, or other critical events that may impact your portfolio. Importing companies streamlines the process of updating and managing your portfolio in DNB Finance Analytics. This efficiency is particularly crucial when dealing with large datasets or when you need to update information regularly. It saves time compared to manual data entry. Navigate to Import Data under Tools. Choose whether to just upload companies, or companies including your internal reference number with import account data. Download the example import file along with the country and currency codes. If you already have DUNS numbers available, only the DUNS number, business name, and account ID are sufficient to upload companies to DNB Finance Analytics. Including the DUNS numbers ensures the best possible data quality. Any records in your import without a DUNS will be automatically matched to identify a DUNS number. For the best match, include as much company information as possible in your file, such as business name, address, city, country code, and VAT or business registration numbers. Please note full country names will not be processed. Utilize the downloaded file containing codes for country and currency to identify the corresponding country codes. You may also include the customer outstanding payment for more in-depth analysis options in DNB Finance Analytics. Please note this information is static, so the values remain the same until the next update. Associate new or existing folders for efficient segmentation. Applying folders is optional. Save the filled template as a CSV, Excel, or any delimited file. An Excel file minimizes the chance of formatting errors. Select the file and choose a ledger. This can be used to allow the import of accounts in different ledgers or back-end systems that have the same account number. If you are updating the portfolio, please make sure to select the same source ledger as before to prevent the creation of duplicate accounts. If you have payment details included in your import file, set excluded account balances to 0 allows accounts that already exist, but are not included in the file you are uploading, to have their balance reduced to 0. We recommend matching all unmatched accounts so the DUNS numbers will be enriched with the DNB data. The confidence code for matching ensures the highest data quality. It's advised to choose a minimum of 7 or 8. If your import file contains German companies, please select the appropriate reason for adding to your portfolio. Please note that branch locations will be automatically upgraded to the headquarters, as branches do not have their own credit reports. On the flip side, subsidiaries have their own reports and won't be updated to a parent company. Now go ahead and import the file. If you have added additional fields to the default template file, such as business unit, customer type, or date of aging, we recommend checking how the fields were mapped prior to processing. If you used the downloaded template without making any modifications, there is no need to view how the fields were mapped. Depending on the size of the file, the import can take several minutes to hours to process. After the import is processed, download and review the list of companies that could not be matched. Once the portfolio is fully processed, access the dashboard, workspace library, or portfolio insight section for in-depth analyses. Please be aware that it may take up to 48 hours for all relevant scores to be updated in the background. Note that entities out of business won't be excluded from the import. As out-of-business entities won't provide scores or trigger notifications, consider removing them from the portfolio. If your portfolio update includes out-of-business entities, consider verifying the information and update the correct registration or DUNS numbers through an additional import. It's also possible to change account numbers in your portfolio. Navigate to Change Account Number in the Account Admin section under Tools and download the example account number file. List the changes you wish to make and import the file.